Hello everyone. Rumors regarding the appearance of the Yamaha Yzf-R9 seem to be getting hotter, as rumors circulate from the World Superbike Championship says the new model will appear at the end of this year. And let's discuss what the information is like. As reported by Autopro, news is circulating that the Yamaha YZF-R6, which is Yamaha's bet in the World Supersport Championship, will enter its final season and be replaced by the Yzf-R9, which is powered by the same CP3 engine as the one on the MTI and Tracer 9 GT. For the record, the 599 9CR6 machine has won every season since its entry in 2017 until 2022 before losing to the 950 5cc Ducati Panigale V2 machine led by Nicolo Bulega in 2023. Since 2022, the Supersport class has allowed larger capacity machines to compete while also seeing the participation of models such as Panigale V2, Triumph Street 700-765Rs, and MV Gusted of 38800C. This means that the Yamaha R9 is the best solution for the Japanese manufacturer to compete again in World C. Not only that, the 890cc Keezy cross-planes engine certainly provides advantages over the 765cc 3-cylinder Street Triple, 798cc 3-cylinder F360cc 4-cylinder IR ZX6R and 2-cylinder engines, 955cc cylinder Panigale V2. However, to be able to compete in WorldSSP, Yamaha must first introduce the R9 to the global market. This means that if you want to replace the R6 in the 2025 season, the R9 must be launched no later than the end of this year. The arrival of the R9 was also anticipated when Yamaha patented the names R9 and YZF-R9 in Europe, Japan, and India, as well as several other markets. This scenario is an indication of the emergence of the model in the near future. And that's our review today. See you in the next video.